This is an Amutec Postman SDS helicopter rides. I've seen 5 this time, seen the camera 5 this time, and before you ask, I'm going to wait for that man saying press start about 9 times before we press start button. So anyways, let's just do this. Hang on, I'll put my back there. Alright, ready? So that's the first one said. I'll put that there.
Press start.
Second.
Press start.
Third. What if it's going to try and make it doesn't work?
Press start. Press start.
Well, it's going to start about 25, 24, 23, 22,
Press start.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15,
Press
14,
start.
13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Press start.
There we go. Yeah. Yeah, unfortunately though, one of us isn't working sadly. Again. Didn't work at first for some reason. Here's Pat there. What is again? It's just there. Here's Pat there. Stop button. Come on. There we go. That's just non-responsive. Yeah, that was the first ride. First. Second. What was going to happen again? Right, 25, 24, 23, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. Second ride. I fly this. No, you don't, Pat. You don't fly anything, to be honest. I wish you didn't, Pat. Let's go on the rides. I thought it was going to have a trumpet again. How many times did it go off? It is just on the front. Yeah, that's what Pat's supposed to say. Pat is saying when the button is pressed. To be honest, that's a weird helicopter sounds. Yeah. That's what the first one says.
Press start.
Second.
Press start.
Third.
Press start. Press start.
One of us got a trumpet again.
Press start.
6.
Press start. Press start.
When does this on about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Press start.
Yeah, final rides. I really like this ride. I mean, you don't fly this Pat, to be honest. Feel free to laugh at that, to be honest. If you know what I mean. Just did the camera forward this time. That's why I filmed this again. Let's get the audio.
The special delivery service always gets through. The special delivery service always gets through.
Come on, joystick. There you go. Look back a bit. Yeah, when the last ride's video, I'm going to show you the Amutec code. To be honest. Yeah. That was the Postman SDS helicopter came out by Amutec. Oh yeah. I forgot to mention the Amutec code is over here. Just a minute, guys. See them, it is over there. And that was the Amutec Postman SDS helicopter, Kiddie. Bye.